Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So, how are you feeling? Excited? How was your yesterday? Amazing. What did you learn the most?
I just visit the hospital and college,
Right.
take photos.
Anyone else who can share the experience? One of you maybe from this side. Anything which was extraordinary for you?
Hospital.
Hospital, you like the hospital. Okay. Now, this activity is cadaveric oath. The body lying in front of us was a human being like us. He was born to our parents. I'm sure everyone greeted him with love, with care, and he spent a period of time in this world. And now that body is lying in front of us. Now, this is actually a reminder that all of us are going to leave this world. And only Allah knows when, and only Allah knows how. So this must be in our mind all the time. Now, why this activity is attached in your first week of medical profession is because you have chosen to look after the human beings. And as I've told you yesterday, humans are the best creature of the greatest creator. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has maximized the creative abilities in creating human beings. And you are privileged to look after that creature. And as I've told you yesterday, that no painter would like that his painting should be altered. Even a small dot on a painting will hurt a painter. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to give you a right, ethical, legal right, to make alteration in the painting made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You will be cutting someone's neck and removing the thyroid gland. You may be replacing the kidney with another kidney. You may be making a hole in the abdomen and removing a piece of intestine. You may be opening the heart and putting new metallic valves in it. You may be going into the arteries of the heart and putting stents on it. Now, this is not something very holiness requires an extraordinary attitude and behavior. Looking after a human body is not looking after a motorcycle. A motor mechanic repairs the motorcycle, charges the money, and makes it in a workable condition. This is not comparable with doing an appendix operation, because if you cannot fix a motorbike and motorbike becomes useless, motorbike does not have a wife which will become widow. A motorbike does not have children which will become orphan. But if due to our negligence, one human life is in danger, it's not only one human life. There will be a lady which will be called widow. There will be children which will be called orphans. There will be parents who will be crying for their son or a daughter forever. This is why our work is very delicate. Our work is very responsible work. And since in your training, this great human body and similar bodies had the privilege that they presented themselves knowingly or unknowingly as your teachers. So we decided that we will take an oath that throughout our life, we will respect the dignity of human body. We will respect the honor. We will respect the sacredness of human body. And this day will remind you throughout your life that whenever you are making any decision related to a human body, you will be handling it as a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and applying your 100% cognitive, intellectual, emotional and spiritual abilities to look after that human body. So I'm going to read it out and you read it out after me. I, please take your name, a student of first year MBBS batch, 2019-2020 of Quaid-e-Azam Medical College, Bahawalpur. Solemnly pledge to respect the cadaver and treat this once living person with compassion and dignity. As I shall use it further to my professional goals. To show due respect and gratitude. Towards this cadaver. Who will always remain my first teacher. To pay gratitude towards the next of kin of the deceased person. For their endeavors in serving society. Selflessly even after death. To respect the privacy and confidentiality. To do justice to the great sacrifice. In all my deeds from now onward. To be grateful to you and your family. For this act of living after death. To always emulate this act of the altruism to provide quality health service to the society and enhance the lives of mankind. Ameen. Thank you very much for sparing time. You have around 20 minutes. And we'll meet in first year lecture theatre at 11 o'clock. Thank you.